Hi, I'm Eric Enotam, the co-founder and CEO of ThisFish. The seafood industry is ancient, quite literally so. I like to say that commercial fishing is really one of the last vestiges of our hunter-gatherer society. And now, thanks to an investment from Canada's Ocean Supercluster, we're going to be bringing this ancient industry into the digital age. Our project is really focused on bringing the latest advances in artificial intelligence to the seafood processing sector. In many ways, seafood is the perfect industry to adopt AI. Why is that? Well, first, there's lots of natural variability in the fish coming from the ocean, whether farmed or wild caught. As a result, it's often hard to predict production and quality outcomes in fish processing plants. We'll be using machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and trends in seafood processing data to make production more predictable and optimized. Second, this natural variability in fish means that you need to do a lot of visual quality inspection, which is both labor intensive and prone to human error and bias. We'll be training smart cameras to automate this inspection. In fact, AI gives us the power to inspect every single fish, fillet, or can being produced, which can help improve the quality of the seafood you eat. And third, we'll be using generative AI to enable seafood companies to explore and analyze their data and documents like never before. Think ChatGPT for seafood. Critical to our success are our partners and collaborators. Orca Specialty Foods is one of Canada's premier smoked salmon processors. Orca is a true pioneer, and without their leadership, many of these innovations just wouldn't be possible. We also like to call out Bitstrap, an AI engineering company and Google partner based in Toronto. Bitstrap will help us to build the infrastructure to ensure that all our data is connected and flowing smoothly in our application. Seafood is the world's most globally traded protein, and so no surprise, we also have 5 other collaborators spanning 5 continents. From a social enterprise building a more socially just industry in South Africa, to industrial tuna canneries in Ecuador and Southeast Asia, and salmon processors in Alaska and home here in Canada, our collaboration will make a truly global impact. And so on behalf of the project partners and collaborators, a heartfelt thank you to Kendra and her team at Canada's Ocean Supercluster. We couldn't have done this without you. Thank you.